I am Jose Chungapura, Assistant Commissioner, retired from Central GST Department. Now I am in Marayur, a fantastic place in Idukki district of Kerala in the Western Ghats. I am now standing in the midst of natural sandalwood forest, white sandal, which is the rare valuable tree in India. Now it's the only one and only remaining natural forest of sandalwood available in South India. And this is high quality wood which yields maximum sandalwood oil as well as fragrance to the perfume industry. Many people believe that cutting sandalwood is illegal even from private land. But that's a misconception. Today the government allows farmers to cultivate and harvest sandalwood legally. However, it requires a patience and right approach. We collect high quality seed from this high quality sandalwood, white sandal from Marayur, and we develop the plants and saplings as per the strict directions and procedure adopted by Wood Science Technology Research Institute, Bangalore. Our saplings are high quality saplings developed from this Marayur sandal seeds. And during season, we collect the seeds from this area and germinate it and develop it in our packets as per the directions of the Wood Science Technology Institute, Bangalore. And there is a huge market even from Maharashtra, Goa, Ratnagiri and all for our plants. Sandalwood trees don't grow like normal trees. They need a special type of soil, climate and most importantly host plant. Unlike other trees, sandalwood is a semi-parasitic plant, which means it absorbs nutrients from the roots of the nearby plants. Here in our nursery, we carefully select the right host plant, ensuring each saplings get the best possible start. This is the key to growing healthy, high-quality sandalwood trees. We normally in Marayur plant Ponnangani Chira, that is a highly nutrient plant, and it helps the faster growth of the sandalwood in our packets. Sandalwood trees take time, about 15 to 20 years to mature, but the return is worth it. A single fully grown tree can be worth lakhs of rupees. We take the high quality white sandal seeds from the Marayur sandal forest, and these seeds are kept in a bed for nearly 65 days, and now after growing and getting 2 leaves matured, we transplant them into these covers, and we are 100% strictly following the method adopted by Wood Science Technology Research Institute, Bangalore for developing the sandalwood plants. Now it is time to plant the host plants in this cover because the plants have already started growing, and after planting the host plant, the growth will be of double speed. Now this year we have got a very good result after adopting the method devised by the Wood Science Technology Institute, Bangalore. Many farmers and landowners are seeing the sandalwood as a long-time investment, but the key is to start with the high-quality saplings and the right techniques. And just a tree, it's a legacy. By growing it, we can protect the nature, history, and create a valuable investment for the future. If you are genuinely interested to learn more about the sandalwood plants, let us start together and we will grow together.